Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be doing a taste test of this custard apple. This was actually not one we grew. It was given to us by a neighbor of ours who's a glass blower and a good customer of ours, and she gave us this.
So thank you, Ariel.
Thank you, Ariel. We don't know exactly, I don't think she grew it either, but I don't know where it came from. But we're going to try it out. We grow a lot of annonas, but we're not very good at it.
We're not good at picking them.
We're not good at picking them. We tend to leave them on the tree too long.
And they get eaten.
We've had a lot of issues with just careless. I mean, the trees grow fine. We didn't have them on irrigation for many years, and they don't do well with no irrigation when we have our dry seasons here. Anyway, we love to eat them. Actually, one of our absolute favorites is Annona mercata, which is the guanabana soursop. We have the Dream Annona that we grow. We grow a lot of them, and we really like the fruits, but we're just not very good at them.
Yeah,
anyway,
the mangoes get more attention.
Yeah, so we're gonna give this one a try.
I've only had this one other time, and it had no flavor at all. And I was like, what's everybody talking about? So this one, I like it a little more ripe.
Anyways, obviously it's a very beautiful fruit.
Yeah, that's super pretty. It's like raspberry colored. What's it smell like? It smells a little...
It smells a little...
Oh, fingernail
overripe.
polishy.
No.
Oh, I smell acrylic nail, like the glue from the 80s and acrylic nails.
That's not what it smells like to me, but it smells like something. I guess we have different references for different chemicals.
True. This is not flavorless.
No. If it had to remind me of something, I would say dragon fruit. It tastes a little bit like, but of course dragon fruit really tastes kind of like other things, but
this is excellent
almost a little bit of
this is
fig.
Like raspberry fig to me.
And there's also a little bit of that, I don't want to call it a chemical taste because that carries a negative connotation. It's not, you know, like some of the mangoes have a lot of the weird terpene type flavors to it. It's got something like that. I guess I would call it a kick, but I don't know what to attribute that to.
It smells like acrylic nails.
No, that's a... Well, maybe it smells like
when
acrylic nails. I don't know what that smells like, so. I don't know. It's very soft.
I mean, I let this get really softer than I would let an avocado get. And I only did that because Ariel said the one she had tasted was flavorless, so I thought, well, let me try it.
This is probably overripe, and that might be what that smell is.
Maybe.
There's an association with beginning of, I wouldn't call it fermentation, but maybe. I mean, it doesn't have an alcoholic flavor at all, so I don't think it's fermented
really
at all, but it is good. I'm trying to think how to categorize the mushiness.
I was gonna say like an overripe Adamoya, but that helps nothing.
Yeah.
Really, like mushy banana?
Fig is kind of the closest texture, maybe.
It's softer than that, don't you think?
It's soft, but yeah, it's even softer than a fig. And it's not like some of the annonas are almost like Rollinia, are almost like mucusy, slimy. It's definitely
fluffy.
Got some softness to it, but it's not like that.
It's like custardy. If you had like a fruit custard.
It definitely has a raspberry tone to it. And that might actually even be the strongest flavor profile there.
Especially near the stem.
If you made that bite I just took, we make a lot of smoothies, and I like to put banana and mango in, and you end up with this kind of thick, gooey, have to eat it with a spoon kind of smoothie.
That's the texture.
But if you did a low flavored banana and raspberry smoothie, that's exactly what that.
Like almost all raspberries, maybe a couple strawberries. Yeah, this makes me more excited for our tree to fruit.
Yeah, this is very good. This is very much, yeah, that to me, if you scoop some of this out and gave somebody a spoonful of it and told them that this was a raspberry smoothie, they would absolutely believe you.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah,
that's very good. Yeah, I don't know. Again, I don't know what variety this is. I don't know where it came from. But it's very good.
But let them get very soft.
Yeah, this is, I don't know if you can tell here, but this is, it's maybe ripe avocado soft.
Yeah,
maybe
that's the one I had was from a really good grower. It should have been good. So I think they must go from flavorless to flavorful when they ripen. Because I meant to try this yesterday.
The best thing about this variety is it's seedless. So it's not really seed. Don't write in the comments below that you know it's got seeds because you can see it. It was a joke, people. Lighten up. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. That's really good.
Good fruit.
It's a little messy. Actually, I guess you should have had a spoon. A lot of these we'll cut in half and eat with a spoon. Even with guanabanas and stuff, we do that. We didn't think to do that, so we're making a mess.
Because it'd be nice to have a spoon to get all this, because near the skin it's just... It's just like smoothie. It's like a pre-made smoothie. Now I know why people like these. When I had my other one, I was like, what's all the fuss about?
Now, a lot of times, a lot of these, I'm not sure about this one, but a lot of the anonas, the seeds are poisonous if you break them open. So don't scoop this out and stick it in a blender and think that you're going to then strain the seeds out later.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that. Because the seeds can break open, and there are some, they're fine if they're not open, but don't bite the seeds.
Yeah, I remember putting guanabana in a juicer.
Yeah, we tried that.
When we moved to Ecuador, and my friend from Ecuador was like, don't drink this. Juicers don't work well for
I would like it. Yeah, raspberry smoothie, all the way.
Grow it. Custard apple.
So, and again, I don't know what variety this is. I don't know if
it's a seedling or a grafted
if they're all
tree.
like this or not, but this one is, that's actually a good one. We'll have to find out from Ariel where it came from. And
yeah, I'll put in the description if I find out more about it. I'll see if she wants the other half of this fruit so she can taste flavorful.
It's raining on us. We're sitting under my big bamboo, and when the humidity's high, it makes it rain. All the little hairs on it catch the moisture, and then it rains underneath. You can stand under and
hear it. It's so cool.
That's why it's still dripping. It's almost dried out this morning, but it's still dripping a little bit. Anyway, so that's a custard apple, and we will try to put some notes on here, whatever we can find out about what kind. But I would definitely plant that. I would plant more than one of those. I think.
I have one. We'll plant some more seeds of this and see.
Yeah, we'll plant some seeds and see what happens.
Because it's so pretty. I wonder, like, crossing this with a dream or some other anonas might be really cool. If that's possible. I don't know.
It's possible, but it's not easy. But yeah,
we don't do stuff.
We prefer easy.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.